This video will show you how to use the AR cursor of DJI RC Motion 3. Before takeoff or after pressing the lock button to make the aircraft hover, users can use the AR cursor. Users can interact with the screen of the goggles via the AR cursor, which is the white line with a circle at the end. If the cursor is not displayed on the screen of the goggles, press and hold the dial on the left of the motion controller to recenter the cursor. If the cursor still cannot be found, tilt the motion controller up or down until the cursor appears on the screen. Using motion controller movements, move the cursor to the arrow on the left side of the screen. Gently press the accelerator to the first stop position. The cursor will become small and a menu will open. Use the joystick on the motion controller to scroll up or down in the menu. To exit or return to the previous menu, push the accelerator forward, or gently press the accelerator when the cursor is on any empty spot on the screen. Move the cursor to the arrow at the top of the screen. Press the accelerator to enter the shortcut menu, and configure settings such as recording or enhanced display. When adjusting the brightness, gently press the accelerator to the first stop position and keep it pressed, while simultaneously tilting the top of the motion controller. Move the cursor to the arrow at the bottom of the screen and press the accelerator to enter camera settings. You can switch between photo and video mode and configure the parameters of the aircraft camera. Thank you for watching.